Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mango salad. First, select 2 to 3 firm, unripe mangoes. You'll want them to be green and slightly hard to the touch for that perfect crunch. Next, gather your fresh ingredients: a handful of cilantro, some mint leaves, and 1 small red onion. These aromatics will add a vibrant freshness to your salad. Finally, prepare a quick dressing to bring all the flavors together. Now, let's get to the preparation. Carefully peel your mangoes, then use a mandolin or a sharp knife to julienne them into thin, matchstick-sized pieces. Aim for strips about 2 inches long. Next, thinly slice your red onion and finely chop the cilantro and mint. If you enjoy a bit of extra texture, consider adding about 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. They provide a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. The dressing is key to a fantastic mango salad. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, stirring until it dissolves completely. Mince 1 small garlic clove and add it to the mixture. If you like a little kick, finely slice 1 small red chili and incorporate it into the dressing for a touch of heat. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your julienne mangoes, sliced red onion, and fresh herbs. Pour the prepared dressing over the ingredients. Gently toss everything until all the mango and vegetables are evenly coated. For an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Serve your delicious mango salad immediately and enjoy this vibrant, tangy dish. It's perfect as a refreshing side or a light, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.